We have been talking about the crypto markets potentially flipping bullish in October, and today guys we have a sea of green in the crypto markets. Things are looking good, Bitcoin has pumped, and as a result we are seeing lower cap coins and altcoins looking pretty juicy as well. So if you're holding a lot of altcoins at the moment, your altcoin portfolio should be up. If we look at the daily, we can see we've got some massive coins pumping on the week. If we look at the day as well, we've had Bitcoin, Pulse Chain, Thor Chain. A lot of coins are doing crazy price action at the moment, guys. So welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well, had a lovely refreshing weekend. October, are you going to give us some good crypto gains? Because that would be absolutely delicious right now. We can see overall in the market space a globalized market capital of 1.12 trillion. So look at this, guys. We are seeing a lot of money flow in, and there's about $94 million lost to the bears right now. So sucks to be a bear right now, doesn't it, guys? So gotta remember, we are still very much in a bearish market environment, guys. Yes, we are seeing the markets move. Yes, we are seeing some green, but we don't know how lifelong that will be. We don't know how prolonged that is going to be, but fingers crossed things will start to look good. Some crazy news also just before we do jump in. Google Cloud is now a validator on the Polygon network. So according to Polygon, the same infrastructure used to power YouTube and Gmail will help secure its network. So this is super bullish, by the way. Polygon Labs announced on September 29 that Google Cloud has joined the Polygon Proof of Stake network as a validator. So that is absolutely just empowering for the crypto space, and I'm very excited to see what could happen. So Bitcoin, hello, 28.3k. What a great blessing we have right there. Looks fantastic. We've seen a huge surge of volume just in the last 24 hours. 1.3k slapped onto the price of Bitcoin. We're now heading towards that $30,000 price target. And by the way, guys, I am going to be attending Zebu live on Thursday and Friday, one of the biggest crypto events in the United Kingdom. So if you're in London, around here, join the Discord. We're going to put together a little maybe community gathering or something, just in case you're down, and it'll be cool to meet some of you guys. Bitcoin is looking really good. You know, look at that, 2 consecutive green candles. We've broken out from 27k. We need to see that 29.4k retest, but also to get back into this very sensitive region of well, look at this, guys. I mean, this is where it all happens. This is where the fun happens. The $30,000 region where we got rejected time and time again, but also in this region where we had the bearish divergence, as you can see right here, with the increased resistance levels and the decreasing RSI. So there was a huge bearish divergence that did play out. Right now we're not seeing any bearish divergence, so fingers crossed we can continue to get a bit of a pump here. So this is the movement after the corrective phase. Again, it's a huge range between 25.4k and 31.8k. That 25 to 32k range, about $7,000, is super integral, sensitive for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin SV, so we're seeing a lot of the sort of Bitcoin sort of sidearms as well also do rather well. I mean, look at this. In the last month we've seen Bitcoin SV at $29, and that leads me to believe that we're going to see some more large caps also pump. But of course there is a correlation here with Bitcoin and BSV at the same time. It's funny because it looks like it's doing well on the day, but then you look back in time and you can see, well, actually this coin is still significantly down from its all-time highs. It's still down by 92%. So whilst it feels good, there's not really much craziness going on right now for Bitcoin SV, and it is down significantly. So I do think it's going to take a while to see this coin get back to interesting levels, which would be like $74, but we're just not really seeing that sort of price momentum here. We're just hit overbought for Bitcoin SV. I don't think we're going to see much continuation, but Bitcoin is where things are getting exciting right now, really. 4-hour time frame, we can see we are overbought on the RSI, so this is going to be a bit of an overbought scenario where we could get a correction. But I think, you know, this is crazy. Don't get too excited. It's just the second day of October. Take your time with things, guys. But like I say, this area here, the 27 to 20 and then 32, these are some crazy levels that we need to keep our eyes on. So the bulls are back in town, but we don't know how prolonged this pump will actually be. Keep your eyes on the price, keep your eyes on the charts, do your research in the markets and stuff, but BSV is looking very good overall. $37.32, $719 million market capital at the moment. people think this coin's going to go crazy. Will Bitcoin reach $100,000? You've got to remember, if Bitcoin did reach $100,000, there's a good chance that coins like Bitcoin SV can also pump with it. So sometimes it's good to diversify and also have those coins that peg or correlate with other coins. For example, like Ethereum and Polygon Matic are very tied together. Bitcoin and Bitcoin SV seem to also have that close relationship and tightness as well. So it's another thing to consider if you are building a portfolio out there. What else is going on, guys? Look, if you're looking to trade the upcoming volatility, consider becoming a patron and unlock over 600 trading signals per month. All of the signals will be in the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, which is linked down below, and you're going to get all of the insights, all of the charts, all of the analysis, all of the signals, just like you can see right here. So look, super user friendly. You can see all the things that you need. You're going to get the stop loss, take profit zones, entries, the risk levels, the leverage quantities, all that stuff you need to help you become a successful trader. We will provide for you. That is down below, guys. So there's only 2 crypto legend slots available if you want all those juicy benefits, but you can also become a crypto champion, crypto warrior, or even a crypto hunter, depending on your budget. That's all done by clicking on the Patreon link down below, and then of course navigate to the Discord, join the Discord. Over 18,000 members strong now in the Discord, so do come say hi. We'd love to see some more fresh names in the community. Coins are down at the moment. I mean, it's great to see the market pumping, but Bitcoin is still down by 59% from the all-time high. So whilst it feels like we're in this bullish environment, on a macro perspective, we're still very much down. XRP is 84% down from its all-time high. You can see most of the share here is from Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is obviously normal, but we just want to see more continuation. So choose accordingly. I mean, things like Dogecoin are down 91%. We've got Polkadot down 92%. Matic down 80% from their all-time high. So there's still time in the market to choose and diversify. Find those coins that you believe in and choose 10 to 20 of them, and grab a few that you think could do well. Some massive caps, some large caps, mediums, lows as well, and maybe even coins that haven't even listed yet. Which brings me to announce Bitcoin Mindtricks pre-sale. This is a coin I bought $2,000 worth, and I think it could be very, very interesting. You can stake to mine on this protocol. You can basically earn passive rewards, and it's another Bitcoin related project that could of course do some crazy things in the future. But if we look at recent pre-sales we were checking out, like Bitcoin 20, which did a 6x, there's a lot of potential in these Bitcoin related pre-sales. So do have a look at it. It's cloud mining, so it kind of defeats the legacy traditional mining sort of consensus where you have to obtain very, very precious hardware and technology, lots of electricity. It's a complex gig, right, running a Bitcoin mining farm. This one does it on chain, where they have a mining dashboard where you can actually stake your tokens, mine, get rewards, and yeah, it looks really, really cool. So we will see the launch phase towards the end of this year, most likely, maybe early into next year. But overall, feeling pretty bullish on this token, which wants to achieve mass adoption. Tokenomically, we can see Bitcoin mining 1.7 billion tokens will go there, marketing 1.4 billion, community gets 600 million, 300 million reserved for staking. One Bitcoin MTX token is 0.011, so that's like 1 cent, right? Really, really low cost. If it does 100x, it goes to $1. They have raised $327,000 of $3 million on their soft cap target so far, and I think it could do pretty well, guys. So there's a link down to this pre-sale right there. Check it out. You can buy it on the ERC20 network with a MetaMask wallet. Let me know what you think, guys. Do you like the look of this particular token? I would love to know what you think. Does look rather interesting, does it not? Bitcoin rainbow chart. What else is going on? Well, we can see the light blue. We're in light blue still, guys. We're in the buy phase. Remind yourselves, it's not a bull market. It's still a bear market. We're still in this accumulation zone right now. So accumulate wisely, pick wisely. We don't know which ones are going to do 100x. We don't know what price, what coin is going to go to by the future, but it's a good time to keep on doing that crypto shopping. Remember, that's not financial advice, of course. And overall, just feeling positive in the markets, feeling positive. We're seeing some good pumps here. I imagine meme coins will also take off soon again, and we'll keep going through these sort of cycles of craziness and extreme fear and greed, which is always nice for the market. So we can see where I've got neutral market despite this positive movement that we are seeing. Fingers crossed we will see more coins blow up. If you are new here, guys, subscribe, like, comment. Please make sure you consider becoming a Patreon if you want to get those juicy benefits that are in the Discord for you to unlock right away. Anyways, thanks so much for watching the video. There's one thing I ask and one thing only, that slap the like button. And yeah, that's a wrap for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace. See you later.